Introducing the 2008 Nissan Pathfinder.
Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle.
With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission.
This vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us only at everycarlisted.com.
The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle:
Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.